Gohan, I'll make a man out of you.
But I'm only 4. So, Mr. Piccolo, what are you going to teach me today? A brand new technique? How to sense energy? What about how to fly?
Dodge!
Oh, man. This training with Mr. Piccolo is really difficult. But I think I'm finally getting the hang of it.
Dodge! Dodge!
Wow, I finally learned how to survive all by myself, live on my own, and surviving off the fat of the land. Mr. Piccolo will be so proud.
Dodge! Hurry up and blast him with all your strength before he has time to dodge! Damn you, Pavlov!
For those of you who don't know who Pavlov is, allow us to take a brief moment to explain. Back in 1904...
Get back to the fight!
And back to the fight!
Mr. Piccolo!
Gohan, come closer. There's something I have to tell you.
Is it that you always pictured me as a son? Because you can never make your own, considering you lack the reproductive organs to produce your own legitimate offspring?
Nerd!
What?
Just shut up and listen.
What is it, Mr. Piccolo?
Why didn't you dodge?
My best friends are a 26-year-old dwarf and a giant green alien who constantly hits me. Still, better than my dad. At least they're around. Huh, where did that come from?
I don't get it! Why can't Vegeta hit him?
Because he keeps aiming where he is instead of where he's going to be. Oh, crap.
So does this mean we should...
Oh, right in the tit!
Piccolo, why didn't you dodge?
Wow, he really needs to learn how to dodge.
Yeah, I know. Still working on that.
Dodge, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way, bitch! Get out the way! 19 dodge!
Begin dodge protocol now.
Why are you starting a subroutine? It's not that complex!
What? What?
Dodge!
Dodge what? You know, 16, yelling dodge is more distracting than helpful.
We're just gonna focus on a little bit of basic combat training that Piccolo told me you've been struggling with. No, you aren't. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to dodge. I really don't think you... Now, this is gonna be a Super Saiyan blast. As a non-Super Saiyan, you have no option but to dodge it. Dad, you really need to listen. Because if you don't dodge this, you'll almost certainly, probably, definitely die. Dad, I'm serious. Ready? And...
Damn you, Pavlov. Mr. Piccolo! Villain! Anyone! No. Nobody is here to save me this time. To save me like always. I can't run from this. I can't dodge this. But if I can't dodge... If I can't dodge... Then...
Well, look, it's you. And for a moment there, I thought you were actually gonna dodge.
Over the next few weeks, Gohan would begin training me, focusing on making me a Super Saiyan like him. His methods were... dodgy.
Dodge!